Walden is a creative WordPress gallery widget with a unique hover transition effect that pops up whenever someone hovers over the pictures. The hover interface displays image title, a link button in the middle, as well as view and favorite counters at the bottom. Let's say you are having a change of taste. You can switch the hover transition effect to something more exciting from the options. The main reason to choose Pixel Gallery for your website is to obtain a massive amount of customizing options that knows no limit. Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome back to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are talking about the Walden Gallery widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery. You have already seen the front end, now let's see the customization. First, drag and drop the widget inside Elementor editor page. The default shows placeholder images here. From the options, you can switch between the two hover layout styles on top. Check how it looks. Then from the below, drag this scroll bars to adjust the row gap, column gap, and item height for the grid items. The switches below are responsible for showing or hiding the title, follow, and like count from the grid. They appear on hover. Then you can change the image size to customize the total image dimension. Then you can click on the link option to select media file and then change the link target to only buttons. Now hovering over the grid will display a link button in the middle of the images. Next, the item section is where all grid items are listed. By default, there are 6 of them. You can add more by clicking the Add Item button anytime you want. Or you can delete any item by clicking the cross icon on the icon box. Now click on the first item box and open the tab. First, we are going to change the image to something suitable. Then change the title. From the grid subsection, let's change the column span of the item to 6 to make it occupy more space in the grid. With that chain of thought, let's customize all the items and make them into appealing gallery layout. Now go back to the layout section so you can switch to the first layout style. At this, the layout is ready for appearance customizations. To do that, go to the Style tab. Here from the first section, let's change the primary and secondary overlay colors. These colors burst out when anyone hovers over the gallery, just like that. Then we can add a border radius to curve the edges of the gallery items, all at once. Now go to the title section and change the text color to white. To change the font, we will use typography option to the fullest. Once done, check how it looks now. Next, jump to the meta section and change the text color to ash. Then customize the typography to make a bold appearance. Then for the read more button, let's also make its text color white. The background can be a matching pink tone. For hover, just reverse those colors. Now put more values in the border radius field to make the button circular. Then add some padding and let's adjust the padding value manually. Now that everything is done, Walden is ready to make an appearance on your website's homepage. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to get more videos like this. Stay safe. See you next time.